showroom, I was amazed when we walked inside. There was 2 floors and there was lots to choose from, and we were very much spoilt for choice.
Very impressed, we were, yeah.
The staff was wonderful with us, quite helpful, and it was lovely because you could get cups of coffee and tea while you tried to think of which design you would like.
As our friends have come round, they've been really impressed with the kitchen, and we've had no hesitation in recommending DIY to them. The service was great, it really was.
We like the products, and again, the staff are very helpful, so if you ever get stuck, you don't have to worry because they will be there on hand to guide you through everything, which is so helpful. One of the best things that I do love about my kitchen is I was always stuck for my tins on shelves in the old kitchen. With this, I have a larder. And honestly, anybody that's getting a new kitchen, please get a larder. You can just see everything and then nothing goes out of date.
And we even have like a little tamper unit in the corner there, which filled one space that you would have had nothing else in, and we've found so useful. But what we really love is our extractor fan, which is the central point of the kitchen and causes a lot of comment.
And we love it. It's just so pretty and lights up all the kitchen and makes all the units sparkle. The nice thing about this kitchen, I think, is when we do get friends round, it's quite cosy. We can all sit round, have a bottle of wine, have some nibbles and things, and everyone is so happy, and it's just a lovely evening.
Well,
who needs a dining table
when
we can just sit in?